see it's washing. It's washing. So you can hear the machine, the machine spinning. That is where it is now. Now you see under the 5 is blinking. The rest of the lights are stable because it's not their 10 yet. I'm showing you how to convert your washing machine to manual when your tap is not flowing. Okay. So now you see that the lights has moved to this side, and you can hear. So the water is going out. It's going to raise it. So it has to take off the dirty water. You can hear it. Let's wait and see. It will take a little while before it will move to the dehydration. You want to be sure it will squeeze the water out before you move to the dehydration side. It will rinse it first, rather, sorry. After taking off the water, it's going to spin and requesting for another water to rinse it. There we go. So it's squeezing all the water from your cloth. This is the manual way of using your washing machine. At this stage, you still don't have to worry yourself. It is going through to ensure that all the dirty water is out of the cloth. By squeezing it, you can hear. You don't have to worry yourself. It will keep spinning until every drop of water is out of it. Spinning, spinning, spinning. When the number is reduced to 8, it will request for fresh water. Okay, so you said it has moved to 1. So it's waiting for me to add a new water. So I open it, then I pour water in. Right after putting the water, it will start. You see? Here we go. You see? That's how it is. So it moved to 1. Requesting for fresh water. So the next stage is now rinsing. It's going through the rinsing process. Alright. So it's summarizing now. Okay, rinsing is done. So now it has moved to the next one, which is the dehydration. Okay, as you can hear. The hydration process just began. I'm shooting this video for you from a village here in Japan, a very typical village. There we go. There we go. That's the real work now. We are at the last stage. If I really want to continue for it to dry it, then to move to this side. Then I press here for it to dry. This is 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and that's it. It's 2 minutes to go. Let's wait and see. go. A minute to go. There we go. There we go. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's getting ready to stop. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay. It's done. That's right. It's ready. That's right. Okay. Oh, let's see. Yeah, here we go. It's completely washed, clean. You see, like, subscribe, share, and comment.